Sulforophane is a plant compound discovered in broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables. But here's the secret. It's up to 100 times stronger in broccoli sprouts than in mature broccoli. In 1992, scientists at Johns Hopkins University discovered that sulforaphane activates a special defense pathway called NRF2. Think of NRF2 as your body's master command center for detox. When it switches on, your cells create their own antioxidants and enzymes that remove toxins and repair damage. In one study, volunteers who drank broccoli sprout juice cleared 61% more benzene, a cancer-causing chemical, from their bodies in just 2 weeks. That's real, measurable detoxification. Next, let's see how this compound also protects your DNA. How sulforaphane guards your DNA. Inside every cell, your DNA decides what the cell does: grow, heal, or divide. Sometimes stress flips the wrong switches, telling cells to grow when they shouldn't. Sulforaphane steps in and turns off those dangerous genes while turning on the ones that repair. Lab studies show that sulforaphane can slow the growth of breast, prostate, and colon cancer cells without harming healthy ones. That's why researchers call it selective protection. Dr. Paul Talalay, one of the lead scientists, said,
"If we could bottle the protective power of broccoli sprouts, preventive medicine would never be the same."
In a moment, you'll hear from real people who use this food to boost their recovery. Real stories. Janet, 54, added half a cup of broccoli sprouts to her lunch 3 times a week after breast cancer treatment. In 3 months, her inflammation markers dropped by half.
"I felt like my body finally started helping me heal," she said.
David, 61, fighting prostate cancer, began blending sprouts with apple, lemon, and ginger. A year later, his PSA levels stayed stable.
My doctor called it remarkable, he told us.
These are real people using simple food to work with their bodies, not against them. Coming up, how your body turns each crunchy sprout into cellular armor. How it works. Sulforophane doesn't appear until you chew the sprout. Inside the plant are 2 parts, glucoraphanin and an enzyme called myrosinase. Chewing mixes them together, and that's when sulforophane forms. Heat destroys that enzyme, so raw or lightly bruised sprouts are best. A University of Alberta study found that adding a few raw sprouts to cooked broccoli restored almost all of the lost enzyme activity. Up next, 5 easy, tasty ways to eat them every day. 5 delicious ways to eat broccoli sprouts. 1. Add to salads for a crisp, peppery crunch. 2. Blend into smoothies, but add them last and pulse gently so you don't heat them. 3. Sprinkle over warm meals like soups or eggs after cooking. 4. Add mustard seed or powder. Just 1/8 teaspoon doubles sulforaphane's strength. 5. Squeeze in lemon juice. Vitamin C helps your body absorb more of the compound. These tips are backed by real nutritional research, simple habits with big rewards. Next, see how to grow a week's supply right on your kitchen counter. Grow your own. You can grow broccoli sprouts anywhere. No soil, no sunlight needed. 1. Soak 2 tablespoons of broccoli seeds overnight. 2. Drain and rinse them twice a day. 3. Keep the jar tilted sideways for airflow. 4. After 5 days, harvest bright green sprouts about 2 inches long. That's it. 1 jar yields enough for an entire week. Studies show homegrown sprouts keep 4 times more sulforaphane than store-bought ones that sit on shelves. It costs less than $1 and takes 5 minutes a day. Next, pair these sprouts with other powerful foods for even more protection. Power combinations. When you mix sulforaphane with other natural compounds, the results multiply. Turmeric plus sprouts. Together they calm inflammation and protect joint tissue. Green tea plus sprouts. The EGCG in tea extends sulforaphane's effect for hours. Garlic plus sprouts. Their sulfur compounds supercharge liver detox. Blueberries plus sprouts. Antioxidants from berries speed up DNA repair. A 2022 nutrients review found that these combos increased antioxidant genes by 80%. Your body loves teamwork. Coming up, how much you should eat and what to watch out for. How much and how often? Half a cup of fresh sprouts a day, around 40 grams, is enough. That small amount keeps your detox enzymes active for up to 72 hours. You can eat them 4 or 5 times a week for steady protection. If you take thyroid or blood-thinning medication, talk to your doctor first. Otherwise, they're safe for nearly everyone. Drink plenty of water to help your body flush out released toxins. Next, let's recap the biggest benefits you get from this habit. Quick recap turns on your body's main antioxidant switch, NRF2. Boosts your own detox enzymes. reduces inflammation throughout the body, helps cells repair DNA damage, supports brain, heart, and liver health. Linked to lower cancer risk in population studies. That's a lot of impact from a handful of tiny greens. Let's make sure you'll actually want to eat them. Here's how to make them taste great. Make them tasty. Broccoli sprouts have a strong, peppery flavor, but you can fix that easily. Mix them with avocado and lemon for a creamy topping. Add pineapple or mango to smoothies for sweetness. Stir into Greek yogurt with garlic and olive oil for a zesty dip. Sprinkle a little sea salt to balance the taste. Once your palate adjusts, you'll start craving that fresh, clean bite. It's the taste of your body healing itself. Coming up, what decades of research say about long-term use. What the research shows. More than 2,000 scientific studies have tested sulforaphane. Harvard Public Health. Men who ate cruciferous vegetables 5 times a week had a 40% lower prostate cancer risk. Singapore University. People drinking broccoli sprout beverages showed stronger detox activity for 12 weeks. University of Illinois. Sulforophane slowed tumor growth in lab models. Johns Hopkins, 2022. Regular sprout eaters kept lower inflammation and higher NRF2 activity. Doctors now call sulforaphane one of the most promising natural protectors known. Next, how to turn all this science into a simple daily habit. Make it a daily routine. Here's a plan anyone can follow. 1. Grow a jar of sprouts each week. 2. Add 1-2 cup to breakfast smoothies or eggs. 3. Sprinkle them on salads at lunch. 4. Enjoy them with dinner veggies and olive oil. 5. Pair with green tea or turmeric for an extra boost. Small steps done consistently change your biology more than any quick fix. And this doesn't just protect your body, it also helps your mind. Benefits for the brain. Recent UCLA neurobiology research found sulforaphane calms brain inflammation that can cause depression or brain fog. Participants taking broccoli sprout powder for 6 weeks felt sharper and happier. When the brain's inflammation cools down, signals move faster. You think clearer and feel more balanced. That's nutrition supporting mental health. Let's pull everything together so you can start right after this video. Your daily cell protection plan. Morning. Add sprouts to a fruit smoothie with lemon and ginger. Lunch. Sprinkle on quinoa or avocado salad. Use mustard dressing. Evening. Serve beside cooked broccoli or fish with olive oil. Drink water through the day and enjoy a cup of green tea or turmeric tea. That's a full day routine anyone can keep. Cheap, fast, and powerful. Stay for one last reminder that could change how you see food forever. The conclusion. Your body already knows how to heal. Sulforaphane simply gives it the signal to start. Eat it daily, protect your cells, and watch your energy and focus grow. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more science-backed natural health videos. Next up, turmeric plus broccoli sprouts, nature's anti-cancer duo. Because real healing doesn't begin in a pharmacy, it begins in your kitchen.